Want to speak Hungarian like a native? It all starts with the vowels. Some vowels are high, some are low. Some came from the front of your mouth, others from the backs. Vowels with the same traits like to stick together in root words. That is called vowel harmony. In this video, you will hear these vowels in the famous Hungarian folk song Erdő mellett estvé lettem. The high-pitched front vowels E, I, I, Ü, Ü, Ö, Ö. Erdő, woods. Erdő, Ö, front vowels. Mellett, next to. Mellett, E, front vowels. Estvé lettem. Evening darkness overtook me. Estvé lettem. E, front vowels. Fejem, my head. Fejem, E, front vowels. Tettem, I have put. Tettem, E, front vowels. Have you noticed how many E sounds appear in these words? They are everywhere, popping up again and again. A perfect example of how Hungarian vowels cluster together. Összetettem. I've put together. Összetettem. Ö, e. Front vowels. Kettő. Két. Two. Két. Front vowel. Kezemet. My hands. Kezemet. E. Front vowels. Kértem. I've asked. Kértem. E. Front vowels. Istenemet. My God. Istenemet. E. Front vowels. Küldje. Let him send. Küldje. Ü, front vowels. Én, front vowel. Istenem. My God. Istenem. I, front vowels. Idegen. Foreign. Idegen. I, front vowels. Földön. On a piece of land. Földön. Ö, front vowels. Szívünk. Our heart. Szívünk. I, front vowel. Can you remember all the front vowels now that like to huddle together in root words? Think of vowels like E, I, Ü, Ü, Ö. High vowels didn't always dominate. In Hungarian's past, low back vowels ruled, huddling together to create deep, dark-sounding words with these vowels. O, A, O, U, oo. Shubham. My sheepskin coat. Shubham. U, a. Back vowels. Hola. Under. Hola. O, a. Back vowels. Úgy. That's how. Úgy. U, back vowel. Jó. Good. Jó. Ó, back vowel. Adjál. You give me. Adjál. O, a. Back vowels. Szállást. A place to sleep or stay. Szállást. A. Back vowels. Már. Already. Már. A. Back vowel. Járkálást. Wandering. Járkálást. A. Back vowel. Can you guess which vowels rule the back vowel? The a sounds. Bújdosást. Fleeing or hiding. Bújdosást. A. Back vowels. Lakást. Living. Lakást. A. Back vowels. So, can you remember all the back vowels now? O, a, o, u, oo. The development of the Hungarian language didn't stop here. Speakers began mixing high and low pitch vowels in a few shades. This innovation opened the door to thousands. For example, they took the word untöri, past tense of un, and added a prefix, meg, which has the opposite. The result is meguntam, a word full of mixed. The process didn't. People began adding suffixes to root words in the same way, mixing vowels to create. For example, the word bátor received the eat suffix and the ja ending, forming bátorít,